I have moved to the other side of the screen, and that's because I want to show you something that's going on here. Another thing that really differentiates Hedy from Python and other textual programming languages is that it is not necessary to know English to actually program in Hedy. So this might not be relevant for everyone, but if your learners are not all native speakers of English, this might be very useful. What you can do here at the button is you can change the language of Hedy to another language. I'm going to pick Dutch because that's actually my native language. So if I pick Dutch, Nederlands, in Dutch, the whole website will reload and everything will become Dutch. So you see that this explanation is Dutch. The example codes now have text that is in Dutch. And if you happen to make a mistake and you run the code, you will also get an error message in Dutch. And this can be really, really relevant because if kids are stuck and they are presented with a message in English, that might be extra hard for them to know how to fix it. So in Dutch it now says the same thing it says in English, maybe you meant print. And it's not just the user interface that can change to Dutch. Actually, it is also possible to program in localized keywords. If you are set to a language that isn't English, you have this language switcher right here. So these are the English forms of the commands and these are the Dutch. And if I switch this little switcher, then the commands here, so print and echo, happen to also be print and echo in my language, but ask is actually vraag. And now all the examples show Dutch commands and I can use them and everything still works the same. So vraag and ask are the same. So I can still do Feline. It says hallo Feline in Dutch. And I'm even allowed, if I'm a learner, to mix Dutch and English keywords or English and Spanish keywords or Chinese or Arabic or any of the language that we support. So I may also still use ask, what is your name? And say echo, this is the same word, hello. And then both of these commands actually work. So it works in Dutch, but it also, my name is the same, also works in English. So we allow kids to always use English keywords if they want to, but also you're allowed localized keywords.